Locations. In this lecture, I will explain you something about locations in Shopify. Okay, once you're there, I want you to navigate to Settings and to Locations. You can manage the places you stock inventory, fulfill orders, and sell products. If you have a drop shipping business, you don't need this. But if you sell your own products, you will need this. So you will need it to fill it in. So I'm going to click on Add Location right over there on the blue button. And I will enter here my name and the address. You must give real information if you ship your own products. And the apartment suite. For the second time, if you have a drop shipping service, you don't need this. So I'm gonna talk later about drop shipping. But here you enter your city, your zip code. No, I'm not from the Netherlands. And I will enter here United States. So that's great. Okay, and here you enter your phone number and etc. and other things and stuff and click save. Okay, that's great. We have added our location. So this is where all your stock stays, your stock management. So that's great. So I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next lecture.